31 1/8 inch by 19 5/8 inch by 11 inch 31 inch single bowl Allia Undermount Fireclay kitchen sink. Another great product from Rohl, this sink is the best undermount Fireclay kitchen sink available. It has a simple and classic single bowl design with an off-center drain. The bowl is 10 inches deep, giving you plenty of space. This sink is also reversible, giving you lots of room to work. Rohl backs up their durability with claims that the sink is acid, alkali, and abrasion resistant. These claims stand the test of time, and many of these sinks are completely scratch or corrosion free years after installation. This Rohl 39 1/8 inch sink is undermounted, which will make it feel like you have more counter space. But the most significant benefit of an undermounted sink is the time that you save cleaning. You can quickly wipe your counters off into the sink.